for any case. The BMW Motorrad Vario luggage system with electronic central locking for the BMW R 1300 GS is your flexible and safe luggage compartment. Just pull out the adjustment wheel under the case lid when the case is mounted or dismounted. Turn the wheel to adjust the volume on the left Vario side case continuously between 25 and 32 litres, between 24 and 30 litres for the right side, and between 28 to 32 litres for the Vario top case. All cases are optionally available with inner bags, usable either solo or together, to keep your luggage tidy and dry. Another highlight, the cases are illuminated. You can also store a mobile device safely in the left Vario side case and plug it into the 15-watt USB port to charge it with the vehicle battery. Enjoy practical packing and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW motorcycle.